Materials in airplanes. Airplanes have engines, wings, and wheels. An airplane has many other parts that help it fly. These parts make an airplane very heavy. Materials scientists want to make airplane parts that are lighter, faster, and stronger. Better parts help an airplane fly better. Many airplane parts are made of metal. Metal is strong, but it is also heavy. It takes a lot of power to keep a heavy airplane in the air. Scientists have been working on new materials that are much lighter than metal. These new material are made of different layers of fibers pressed together. These lighter, stronger materials are called composites. Most airplane wings have flaps. The flaps move up and down to help make the airplane move. Material scientists are working on a new kind of wing. The new wing has an edge that can bend. Air flows smoothly over the new ring. This new wing doesn't need flaps. This saves fuel and makes airplanes fly more quietly. Airplane engines get really hot. Material scientists are looking for a way to keep the engines cooler. They have created materials called super alloys. An alloy is made from different kinds of metals mixed together. Super alloys don't get as hot as other kinds of metals. They are a good material to use for airplane engines. Most airplanes run on jet fuel. Jet fuel is made from natural gas. Natural gas makes air pollution. Scientists have made an airplane that runs on solar energy instead of jet fuel. Solar energy comes from sunlight. Solar energy doesn't make air pollution. The new airplane uses special batteries that turn sunlight into electricity. Material scientists look for ways to make airplanes faster, stronger, and safer. They experiment with materials in order to make better airplane parts. They create new materials, then they test the materials to see what works and what doesn't. What would you like to know about materials in airplanes?